Hello everyone. Today we gonna talk about how to create this video.
Just the back it now. Keep it up low. Bitch killer.
Let's start. First open Microsoft Store. Now in the search bar write Avee player. After this click upload, and wait until it will download. Finally, it downloaded. In the link in the description, you can download the track that we will use today. Don't forget to save it in the music folder. Now open the program. In the folders, select your music folder. Now click on the track. Now click on this item. First, we should select our spectrum. I will select this. Let's edit our background. Click on this item. Select the image and pick your background. And that's all. Click on the export button and it will export your video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.